Hello students, today we will study about various trigonometric ratios geometrically. In this video, we will study about trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. So to find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, we will take a equilateral triangle of side 2a. Okay. We take a equilateral triangle of side 2a, and now if we have to find the trigonometric ratios, then we must have a right angle triangle. Okay, so we will draw a perpendicular from this vertex to opposite side, and by the property of equilateral triangle, it will bisect this side. So this side will become half of this 2a, that is a. Okay, now we will find the a, b, c and d. If we want to find AD, then we will use Pythagoras theorem. For AD, this angle will be 60 degree and this will be 60 degree and this angle will be 30 degree by the property of isosceles triangle, okay, or equilateral triangle. Since this bisector, this is the bisector and it divides this side and this angle as well. Okay, so now AD square will be equals to, AD will be perpendicular. AD will be perpendicular for this triangle ADB. Okay, so AD square will be equals to AB square, that is hypotenuse, minus BD square, that is base. So AD square will be 2A square minus A square. This will be AD square. So AD square will become 4A square minus A square, that is 3A square. So AD will become root 3A. AD will become root 3A, that is A root 3. So AD will become A root 3. Now we have to find the all trigonometric ratios for 60 degree. All trigonometric ratios for 60 degree. So we will consider the triangle ADB and theta will be this. So perpendicular for this theta will become this side AD and the base will become BD and the hypotenuse is just opposite side to the 90 degree angle. Okay, so sine 60 will become perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular will be A root 3. Perpendicular will become A root 3 by 2A. So sine 30 will become, sorry, sine 60 will become root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 60, this is base upon hypotenuse. So base for this triangle is A. Base for this triangle is A. A by 2A. So it will become 1 by 2. Tan 30, sorry, tan 60. Tan 60 will become perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. So what is perpendicular? A root 3 by A. This will become root 3. Now there are 3 ratios remaining. What will be cosec 60? Cosec 60 is 1 by sine 60. Cosec 60 is 1 by sine 60. So if sine 60 is root 3 by 2, then cosec 60 will become 2 by root 3. It will become 2 by root 3. Sec 60. What will be sec 60? Sec 60 is 1 by cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then cosec 60 will become 2 Okay, tan 60. Then we have to find cot 60. Cot 60 will become 1 upon tan 60. Cot 60 will become 1 upon tan 60. So this will become 1 by root 3 because tan 60 was root 3. So cot 60 will become 1 by root 3. So this is the derivation of all the ratios that we learned. Okay, and similarly if we take theta this angle, then perpendicular will become a and base will become a root 3. Then using this theta we can find all ratios of 30 degree. Okay,